Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to generate a template from your Discord server. So templates are a really awesome way to copy just the bare bones of what you have, like the different categories and the different channels that you have, and kind of give it to someone else so they can copy that system, that setup that you have for another server. So if you wanted to do that, so let's say you wanted to take this one. I don't know why, because this one is not well put together, but if you did, let's go ahead and go up here to the server settings. All right, and then we can go to server template, and then let's say simple software tips, and then we can add the title, the description. So what it will copy: channels, channel topics, roles and permissions, default server settings. It will not change over any messages or any content, your server icon, boosts, other perks, members, or bots. So really just the bare bones. So I can generate the template. Boom, there you go. You have that template there that you can copy, you can take for another server or what have you. This is a really easy way to help other people that are wanting to use Discord, or maybe you are setting up Discords for different people. Super easy way just to get the bare bones without having to do all of that custom work. Hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the description down below.